Welcome to the Secret Gadgets channel, where you can find the lastest gadgets that came in the market. Ready to take your fishing game to the next level? Meet the spinning reel fishing gear, designed for smooth casting, powerful drag, and ultimate control. With precision ball bearings, anti-rust technology, and an ergonomic grip, you'll enjoy effortless control in every fishing trip. To save you time and money, we have collected the 5 best spinning reel fishing on the market. You can see the product links in the description of the video below. Number 1. The Sougayilang spinning reel is built for anglers who demand precision, durability, and smooth performance. Designed with a CNC machined aluminum spool, this reel ensures seamless casting and retrieval, reducing friction for a better fishing experience. The lightweight aluminum body with graphite side covers makes it strong yet easy to handle, perfect for extended fishing trips. With a 7.21 gear ratio, this reel offers fast and smooth retrieval, making it ideal for catching a variety of fish species. The precision-machined brass gear enhances durability, while the clicker system allows for fine-tuned action adjustments. Whether you're fishing for bass, trout, or other freshwater species, the Sougayilang spinning reel provides the power and reliability needed for a successful catch. It features a maximum drag of 8 kg, allowing you to handle tougher fish with confidence. The line capacity 0.23 180, 0.28 150, 0.30 10 m ensures versatility, giving you control over your fishing setup. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned angler, this reel is a must-have in your fishing gear collection. Number 2. The LINNHUE spinning reel is built for serious anglers who need power, precision, and durability. Designed with a CNC metal handle, this reel provides a firm, comfortable grip and allows for interchangeable right or left-hand use, making it perfect for any fishing style. With a 4.81 gear ratio, this reel is engineered for strength, offering the power needed to handle large fish species like tuna, sharks, and bass. The high-density anti-corrosion body ensures long-lasting performance, even in harsh saltwater conditions. A strong, oversized shaft and self-balanced rotor system delivers smooth and steady retrieves, reducing resistance and increasing control when battling big game fish. From mackerel to kingfish, this reel is a true powerhouse. Number 2. The KastKing Capstan Elite Spinning Reel is built for serious saltwater anglers, delivering unmatched power, durability, GC, and performance. Designed with IPX6 waterproof protection, it features up to 15 Everseal rubber rings, keeping water out of the main gear and ensuring smooth operation even in rough offshore conditions. This reel is exceptionally strong, with a carbon fiber drag system that provides up to 55 platforms of max drag, allowing you to confidently battle trophy fish like tuna, marlin, and sharks. The CNC aluminum body and aerospace alloy gears offer extreme strength, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting performance. Equipped with 6 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings, this reel ensures buttery smooth retrieves, even under heavy loads. The high-capacity aluminum spool is braid-ready, eliminating the need for backing. Number 4. The Handing M1 spinning reel is built for anglers who demand smooth performance and long-lasting durability. Designed with a graphite frame, this reel is lightweight yet strong, ensuring maximum control without adding extra weight to your setup. With a 12 kg max drag system supported by 3 high-performance discs, this reel provides exceptional stopping power to handle larger fish with ease. The 9+1 stainless steel bearing system ensures ultra-smooth cranking, while the rainbow ceramic line guide minimizes friction and extends the life of your fishing line. The interchangeable handle allows for both left and right-hand operation, catering to all anglers. Additionally, the hardened metal main shaft, precision-machined pinion gears, and perfectly meshed drive gears offer unmatched reliability and performance. Number 5. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance fishing reel, the MBLN spinning reel is an excellent choice. Offering smooth operation with sealed stainless ball bearings, it's designed to handle the toughest saltwater environments. The CNC aluminum alloy spool is both light and strong, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary weight. One of the standout features is the carbon fiber drag system, which delivers powerful, precise performance when fighting big fish. Whether you're reeling in a small catch or something larger, the MBLN spinning reel has you covered with a 30 kg max drag power. Pulling even the biggest fish is no problem. The reel also boasts a 4.11 high-speed gear ratio, allowing for quicker rotation and efficiency when casting. With an interchangeable CNC machined metal handle, you can easily adjust for left or right-handed use. Available in sizes from 5,000 to 12,000, the MBLN reel suits all your fishing needs, whether you're after smaller fish or going for ultra-large catches.